These images that you see are not images of real people or taken by photographers. These are AI generated images and they look extremely hyper realistic. And these images are generated by a new tool called as Reve AI. And this Reve image has been going crazy viral on Twitter, some even claiming this to be the best AI image to text video generation tool, even beating Flex. So in this video, we will just test this particular tool with some prompts. So first thing, to access this site, just type rev.art and you'll be taken to the preview.rev.art, and here we are having the Reeve image 1.0 model. You need to just click on sign up and either sign up by using your mail or Google, and you'll be taken to an interface like this. Here you can see other people's creation and stuff. And this tool is not 100% free, it has credits, and if you want to generate more images you need to buy credits, and they have a system where the credits get refreshed. So now let's run our text to image prompts, and here as usual we are having the ratio and the number of images and stuff. And here I'm having ChatGPT and I have asked you to generate some text to image prompts. So let me just go with this one, a Japanese samurai, and let's see what it gives. I'll just paste it and we can generate even 8 images. Alright, and I will just run this. So this is the credit system that they're having. I had 100 credits at the start, and they are also saying for each day you will get 20 credits, 20 free images that are used before the credits. So this is basically how it works, and once you run out of credits you need to pay and buy it. Simple. And these are the images that we are getting, and just look at the realism in this image. Alright, this looks super realistic. Like, look at this. This looks like a real picture captured by a camera. Yeah, only I guess Flex was able to generate images like this, but this tool has, gone it to the next level. Yeah, so you just see that, right? This looks like a image taken by a camera focusing on the main samurai by clipping the background blur. So just looks super realistic. So in case if you want to make any changes to this image, for example, here I'm having this image, right? I can just click this and here I can instruct what to change in the image, and I'll just go and type add some trees in the background. And just look at these images. Earlier I just selected this image and I asked it to give some trees in the background, so it must take this particular person with this dress as a reference and generate images, and it has exactly done this exact same person. I mean, it has changed the pose of that person, but the face as well as the suit and the dress still remains the same. As you can see here, it still remains the same, and it has added the trees in the background. So it is quite good in generating consistent characters. That's another amazing feature that I noted about this. So now let's see what happens if we upload our own image. So I'll just go and add this particular car image. So I'm just going to like drag and drop. So I'll just drag it and put it here, and it's saying processing image. This may take up to a minute. So it's saying generating images, so I didn't give any prompt. So whenever we just upload a image from here, it's automatically generating some images about that car. So I'm not sure why exactly this happens, but this is the image that I uploaded, and it has generated similar images that I uploaded. So you can just like click here and edit it and get the prompt that you want. And another cool thing about this is that you can generate images of celebrities. For example, let me just go with Elon Musk with Messi, and let's see what it gives us. These images are stunning. This looks like a real image captured with camera. That's how realistic these images are looking. So it can also generate images of people, quite similar to Grok image generation. And let me just go with another prompt. Let me just go with this cyberpunk style woman, and let's see what it gives us. I guess they were quite right when they said this is like the best image generation out there, and the images are crisp, realistic, and spot on based upon our prompt. Let me also go with this male astronaut in a spacesuit and see what it gives. Just look at these images, and the cool thing about this image is that the reflection that is shown on the glass. We are having Earth, and the Earth is kind of blurred, and we are having the astronaut in the spacesuit, and look at this reflection. That's how realistic it is able to generate images. And of course it will be obviously doing a great job in generating text on the images also, without a doubt. So I'm just going with this prompt: professor teaching on the blackboard with the text a global warming thing on it. So let's see how it handles text. It has exactly got that text onto the blackboard, and it's green at times, but yeah, it definitely is a blackboard. And the another great thing is, look at the handwriting also. It looks exactly similar to a person's handwriting. It doesn't look like a typewriter or a computer handwriting. And this picture is like exactly taken off from a movie. That's how good these images are. And to be honest, I also feel it's like the best AI image generation model out there. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.